If you use YouTube professionally, you need to have an understanding of YouTube analytics. Whether you want to monitor your content or use it as a marketing platform for your brand, it's important to know what's working and what's not. And YouTube Analytics is perfect for that. It contains an incredible amount of information from your audience demographics to traffic sources and even the keywords users use to find your videos. All of this data will help you improve your content marketing strategy and create better videos. In this video, we'll review how to use the YouTube Analytics tool and what metrics you should keep an eye on. Let's get started. There are two ways to check your YouTube Analytics, from your computer and from your phone. For your phone, you'll need to download the YouTube Studio app, which is available for both Android and iOS. In it, you will see a series of summary metrics in the main dashboard, just like in the desktop version. To see more details, tap See More. Here you will find tabs for further information, just like in the desktop version. But although you can see the metrics correctly, we recommend to use the computer version since it's way easier to move around and compare metrics. How does it work? When you have logged into your YouTube account, tap your profile icon in the upper right corner and select YouTube Studio. Although you can also get there by clicking on the section Your Videos on the left menu. You will be able to see some summary metrics in your channel dashboard. To see more in-depth analytics, go to the menu and select Analytics. Within Analytics, you'll be able to see organized information across different tabs. Overview. The Overview tab shows you a summary of how your channel and videos are performing. The Key Metrics card shows your views, watch time, subscribers, and if you're a YouTube partner, your estimated revenue. Here you can also find reports for typical performance, your top content in this period, real time over the last 48 hours or 60 minutes, and your performance in your latest stories. Content. It gives you a summary of how your audience finds your content, what your audience is watching, and how they interact with your content. Here you can see the views, the impressions, and how they led to watch time, traffic sources, and more. Reach. A summary of how your audience is discovering your channel. You can find reports for traffic source types, external traffic, suggested videos, playlists, impressions, and how they led to the watch time, bell notification sent, and your YouTube search. Engagement. Here you can access a summary of how long your audience is watching your videos. The key metric cards show your watch time and average view duration. You can check on audience retention, likes and dislikes, end screen element click rate, or even top tagged products. Audience. The Audience tab gives you a summary of the sort of viewers watching your videos. The Key Metrics card shows your returning and new viewers, unique viewers, subscribers, and total members. You can see when your viewers are on YouTube, the subscriber bell notifications, the watch time from subscribers, age and gender, other channels your audience watches, other videos your audience watched, top geographies, and top subtitle language. Revenue. If you're in the YouTube Partner Program, the Revenue tab helps you track your earnings on YouTube. The Key Metrics card shows your estimated revenue, the revenue per mil, RPM, and cost per 1,000 impressions, CPM. You can discover your monthly estimated revenue, your revenue sources, the transaction revenue, your top earning videos, and the ad types. Research. Finally, in the Research tab, you can see a summary of what your audience and viewers across YouTube are searching for to identify trends and get ideas for new videos. But if you want to see even more detailed analytics, individual video metrics, and more, click on Advanced Mode in the upper right corner. Here you can also download reports of your choice. Another very interesting feature of Advanced Mode is comparisons. You can compare the growth of your channel with the previous year, the performance of the videos during the first 24 hours, or the performance of a particular video against another or against the overall metrics of the channel. Now that you know a little bit more about YouTube Studio, you might be wondering what some of the metrics that we have talked about mean. That's why we'll go through the 10 key metrics you should know about for YouTube Analytics. 1. Impressions. Impressions are the total number of times your video thumbnails have been shown to viewers on YouTube, but it doesn't include external traffic sources such as videos embedded on websites or shared on social media. Basically, it measures the visibility of your videos inside the YouTube platform. 2. Click-through rate, CTR. This is the percentage of people who clicked on a YouTube thumbnail to watch your videos. Only clicks within YouTube are included. This metric is very important to understand if your thumbnails, your titles, and the keywords you have selected for your videos are effective. Look for what your videos with higher CTRs have in common to optimize your YouTube SEO and the effectiveness of your channel. 3. Traffic sources. YouTube traffic sources include both internal sources like search, navigation, playlists, and suggestions, and external sources such as search engines, social networks, and websites. This section can help you find out where and how viewers are discovering your videos and also locate potential collaborators. We're talking about other channels that are driving traffic to yours or websites that have included your videos. 4. Search terms. This metric tells you the top search terms that have led to your videos in the YouTube search box, so it's very useful for refining your keyword strategy. 5. Subscribers. This is the number of people who have subscribed to your YouTube channel over a given period. If you hover over the number of subscribers, you can see how they compare to your usual growth. If there is a significant change, try to identify what the cause is that led to the sharp increase or decrease. 6. Real-time views. This metric refers to the number of views your videos have received in the last 48 hours, represented in a bar chart with an estimate of views per hour that is updated in real time. It's especially useful for monitoring the impact of new video launches. 7. Channel viewing time. The total number of hours viewers have watched all the videos on your channel during a given period. If you select a period of 28 days, you can see how this compares to your average viewing time. 8. Average playback duration. This shows how long your videos are watched on average. This metric is very important in knowing if your content is getting users' attention after they engage with the title and thumbnail. If you detect problems related to this metric, consider whether or not your content is adapted to users' expectations. 9. Hours of activity of your viewers on YouTube. A bar chart that shows the hours and days when most of your viewers are on YouTube. It's very interesting to take into account when planning when to launch new videos. 10. Other channels your audience watches. YouTube offers demographic segmentation data about your viewers, such as gender, age, or location, as we explained before. But if you want to get a real idea of what they expect from you, we recommend you check out this section to find out what type of content they consume to get inspiration for your next videos. And that's all for today. If you want to learn more about YouTube Studio, how it works, and what you can get from it, click on the video on the screen right now. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this. See you soon!